Hoops Exchange now officially supports all constraint or mating information for parts in Catia assemblies, including fixed, coincident, parallel, and symmetrical constraints. Here we have a Catia assembly with a number of different subassemblies. We're looking at one, this ball socket joint here. Let's isolate that. And it has three constituent parts: socket joint, ball joint, and the tube. When we load that, we also can load the constraint information. And we're looking at that here. So this is all the metadata behind that assembly. And you notice again we have this subassembly, the ball socket joint, and its three parts: the socket joint, the ball joint, and the tube. But then also we have a set of constraints within the subassembly: a coincidence constraint along the axis of the socket joint and the tube, as well as a surface contact constraint between those two parts as well. And that would make sense because between the socket joint and the tube, those axes would be coincident to one another, and the surfaces would be in contact or near contact with one another. This complete set of constraints is only available for Catia. However, fixed constraints have been available for SOLIDWORKS, NX, and Creo assemblies. This rich CAD data helps support a number of engineering workflows, including manufacturing simulation, robotics, and kinematic analysis.